taking a look at the Auto World Thunderjet 69 El Camino. This is a pretty decent car out of the package. I did do some magnet adjustment. I lowered the rear end as far as I could, lowered the front, and narrowed the front end, brought the wheels in closer, and yeah, I added some graphics, as you can see here on the hood. I painted the rims, add some more decals to the side, and I think she turned out pretty good. Now let's take her for a run on the extended track and see how she does. As you can see here, it holds the track really well because I have a lot of turns in my layout. And yeah, I think it does a really good job. I like the Thunderjets. I don't know, a lot of people complain about them, but I've never had any issues. And a little bit of wheel and tire adjustment, I think they run great. So yeah, until next time, please like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.